What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be deriving or finding derivative of the logarithmic function. So guys, we have done other derivatives of other functions so far. We've done the standard derivative deriving from the first principle, and we have also done the exponential derivative. So you can watch these videos. At the end of this video there is a playlist of all derivatives that I've done so far, and then the derivative from the first principle is its own playlist from this video from this channel. So I also have done videos on other chapters like trigonometry and limits and binomial theorem, the expansion, the specific term, and all that. So guys, if you want to watch those videos, go to that to the playlist section and select the topic that you want to learn about. All right, so if you are new to this channel, I would like to tell you that you can subscribe to these videos to the channel so that you can watch more videos on maths. So if you are returning, welcome back. You can start doing this problem here. Remember, you can pause and do this problem, and let's see if you can manage to find the derivative of the function here. Now let me just start. So before we start, we need to find the formula to use in order for us to derive. Remember, when we derive, you need to have a formula that you use to derive. So I'm gonna write it here, guys. If you have your y, so remember, when we have log base a, and then let's say this is x, the dy dx is gonna be, let's follow 1 over x natural log then a, and then you can continue and say it's also 1 over x log and then base e then a. All right. All right, this is what you can use. So guys, you need to remember that we done these formulas on this video here. So there's a video here on top. Go and watch it in order for you to understand where this formula coming from. There are actually 4 formulas, so you must choose one based on the function that is given to you. All right, so let's continue. So if you have to label here, we know that based on our function there that we're supposed to calculate, a is equal to 2. So whenever there's a, we just substitute 2. Remember guys, we have to, when we do our dy dx, we have to do this one here, right? Okay, so let's do it. So dy dx, so what is our first step? It's going to be 1 over x. Well, x is x, and then we have natural log. Then what is our a? Our a is going to be 2. All right, so from there you can continue and say 1 over, then you say x log, and then e, but a is going to be 2. Now you can also continue, some of you can continue and write like this: log base 2 e over x. So some of you might be confused, how do this became out of this, how did this change now, how do they change? As you can see now, it's on the numerator and it's also having the base of 2, because on the denominator the log was having the base of natural log exponent and 2. So there's a law of logs. Remember this law here: when you have 1 over log, let's say the base is a, and then let's say this is going to be b. This law we can say as well, base is b and that is a. This is a law, guys, one of the logarithmic laws that you need to know when you're dealing with logs. So yes, I apply that law here on the final answer, but you can leave it here, it's still fine, guys. You can leave it here, it's also fine, guys. I hope you understood what happened here. Just in case you didn't understand, you can just rewatch the video over and over again until you understand. And also, guys, um, you can comment if it so happen that there's something that you need to know or you want to add. Share the videos to your friends, and don't forget that at the end of this video there is a playlist that you can watch in order for you to understand the derivative of other functions, including this one as well. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Till next time, cheers.